Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a review. Yes, I have a fragrance review. So if you want to know exactly what this review is on, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. And today's fragrance is Dolce Gabbana, The Garden. Yes, this is The Garden. This is a 75 milliliter, which is a 2.5 full ounce. And this fragrance was released in 2018. I like the packaging. It's a simple pink package with black writing everywhere, but where it says garden. Garden is in green. Okay? And then the way it feels like, not velvet, but it's something. I know it's something. I can't remember what you'll call it, but it feels real nice. I like the flowers. Okay, and this is the bottle. A beautiful bottle, just like the majority of the Dolce bottles. They all are made like this, and they're just different colors. Top is sculptured into a flower, so this is a pink flower. The bottle itself, to me, is a light pink, and then you got the black writing. And garden is in green. Get the black bow, okay? Okay. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. Now I will have the notes on this side or that side, just to let you know the correct notes that's in this fragrance. But I'm gonna just tell you what I think is in it, okay? Love the spray. Right off the bat, I smell oranges. Some kind of orange. Maybe a mandarin orange, orange blossom or something, but it is oranges in it. Magnolia. I smell vanilla. Smell like coconut. It smells like coconut, like it's got a nutty scent to it. Or maybe it's almonds which making it nutty. But whatever is making it nutty is making it creamy when it dries down. It's a milky, creamy floral scent. This is a gourmand. Yes, I mean, it's real edible. This is gorgeous, sophisticated, coconuttery, vanilla, creamy. Now, only way you're gonna love this fragrance, you got to love coconut. I'm sorry, you just got to love coconut, because that's what this is. coconut and the almond, making it creamy and nutty. Mmm. 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 Oh, this is simply beautiful. Gorgeous. Mmm. 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 Now this to me don't smell nothing like a garden. So I don't know why they call it garden. But hey, I guess flowers and fruit is in a garden, so I guess maybe that's why. I don't know. This fragrance is perfect for the beach. Now this is something I would wear in the summertime. Spring and summer, perfect for the beach. What else can I say, ladies? Let's go ahead on and rate this fragrance before I fall out. Okay. The box, which is the packaging, is beautiful. Okay. The bottle. Beautiful. Black bow, written in black, everything but garden is written in green, pinkish, the pink flower on top. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous. The bottle, I give it a 5. I don't know did I say the packaging. The packaging, I give it a 4. I give the packaging a 4. I give this bottle a 5. I give the longevity a 5 because on my skin, it lasts at least anywhere from 7 to 9 hours. So it lasts for me. The spray is a 5. The salage is a 5 because it's real close up on you, but they can smell you, baby. And you do get compliments with this fragrance. Yes, you do. I mean, hey. And the juice. The juice. This sexy, sophisticated woman that's wearing this fragrance, she knows she's a 5. So, hey, the fragrance is a 5. Yes, it is. This juice is a 5. What can I say? So, the overall number for this fragrance is a 4.5. There you go, ladies. So go out and get it. You will thank me. Yes, you will. So, in the bottom section of this video, comment and tell me what you think about this fragrance if you have it. And if you don't have it, let me know if you ran to the store and get it on my recommendation and what you think when you bought it. Okay? So, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.